Hi, this is Dr. Linda Davis. Today, let's explore how to access the Ebscohost database found on our intranet system. This is one of the main research databases that we use throughout the semester. So let's get started. Here we have our desktop. To get to the intranet screen, we are going to access or launch Internet Explorer, in which case this will show you the intranet system. And one of the icons here is Research Databases. Click on that. Several databases listed here. We use quite a few of them. One of the main ones that we use is Ebscohost. And for Ebscohost, you want to just click on the link and we'll show you how to navigate Ebscohost. It's great for pulling up research from magazines, journals, and newspaper articles. So we'll go to Ebscohost Web next. This is the one I use most often. This is a variety of databases within a database, so you just select the ones you want. Any of them that are about business I tend to select, so I'll select Business Source Complete. Research Starters is always checked, and that's fine, but also I'll include Academic Search Complete down here just by check marking it. When you get that completed, you will go up to hit the button Continue. This reveals our search box, and we'll just do an example. Say we want to know more about Apple Corporation, just in general, and I'll show you how to refine your search, because when you do research, your problem most of the time will be that you find too much information instead of not enough information. So this is a way to carve it down to a manageable size of research that fits what the topics that you're searching for. So let's type in Apple Corporation. We can't just type in Apple, because if you type in Apple, you're going to get some things about the company and some things about apples that grow on trees. Now, I always encourage my students to limit their results a little bit to full text only. Just return back to us full text articles. We're not interested in just little abstracts. Also, some professors may insist on scholarly journals or peer-reviewed journals. And if that's the case, you just check mark that, and it eliminates all those magazine articles that do not fit under the scholarly or peer-reviewed journal entries. So at this point, just a simple search here. We've done that. We'll just hit search, the search button. Now what you see presented at this point is a list of articles. The article name, who is it by, the publication name, the pages, the dates, and the relevancy, of course, maybe a little summary of the article. They may be returned to you in two different ways. They may be PDF full text, which you just click on the link to have it display, or it may be an HTML full text article. Either one's fine. They'll both print out if you need them to print out. Also, it tells us over here on the far left side how many results. In this particular case, we had 748 results, and that may be more than we want to wade through at this point. And as you can see, most of the article names are right on with what you asked for, all about Apple in different aspects. But let's say we trim it down some. Let's say you were told to search, okay, Apple, but also and Steve Jobs. We'll put that little Boolean operator in there to kind of whittle down or refine our search so we won't get so many results. Okay, so Apple Corporation and Steve Jobs, and then hit search again. Instead of the previous 700 plus articles, we now show 25 results. And we could even go further. We could add the new CEO, the current CEO, the interim CEO is Tim Cook. See if there's any articles about that. Notice we get down all the way down to one article. Okay. Now, with using and here and there, what we are guaranteeing, and what the database is going to pull up for us, are those articles that have Apple Corporation somewhere in the article. It also has to have Steve Jobs' name somewhere in the article, and it also has to have Tim Cook's name somewhere in the article for it to select that article. And that's how we refine our list by using the AND connector in between. If it was the opposite problem, if we had needed more articles, we can take AND out and put OR. And let's see what happens to our results. Okay, that jumps us back up to 3,407 possible articles. All right, now if we just want to click on one of these to see the article itself, that's fine. This is going to be an HTML full text article. If I click on that, it will take me to the article, in which case I can read it online. I can do a printer-friendly version of it by hitting print over here and having it print out, or I can email it to myself, or whatever the case may be, or email it to someone else. As you scroll down, and this is all the reference information that you need, and below there is the article itself. Notice every search term you asked for is in bold throughout. And if you ever have trouble finding a search term within an article, you can always do Control F. Control F means a find box will come up, and you can type the word in there that you're looking for, and it will show you in the article where that particular word displays. Now, another nice feature is Cite on the far right side. Depending on your school, we use APA style here. It gives you the reference in APA format. And you may have to modify it for your particular school or professor, but that gives you a good start for a good APA reference, or whatever type of reference you're looking for. Now, so that's our explanation of using Ebscohost today, and happy searching. Thank you.